Alright, boys and girls, let's take a look at this lesson titled 5-11, Multiplying with Three Factors. So when we multiply with three factors, we're basically multiplying twice. We multiply the first two together, then we get that answer, the product, and we multiply it by the third factor, so twice. And when we multiply with three factors, we're using the associative grouping property. It doesn't matter how we group the factors, the answer will remain the same, and we'll see that in questions 1 through 4 on this sheet. So let's take a look at the first one here. Here we have on one side of the equal sign, and I'm going to draw a little line here, and it's like a wall separating the two equations. Here we have 2 times 4 times 2, okay? But when we see parentheses, we have to solve what's inside the parentheses first. So in parentheses, we have 4 grouped with 2. 4 grouped with 2 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. Looking over here onto this side, we have 2 times 4 in parentheses, but just in a different order. What's missing? The other 2. Okay, so it's like we have a wall here, and we can only see which factor is missing. The numbers themselves cannot. We have to help them out. So 2 is missing. Let's take a look at the next one. Drawing the wall here, they can't see what's on the other side. We got to help them out and see which factor is missing. Grouped together, here we have 3 times 4, then times 3. Then on this side, the second 3 is by itself. Switching it out, and we have a 4 times the 3 first. So we see how it's grouped together differently, but our answer will still remain the same. 3 times 4 is 12, times 3 is the same thing as 4 times 3 times 3. We still end up with 12 inside of both parentheses. Okay, let's take a look at this next one here. I'm going to draw my line. I have my 2 times 3 in parentheses. And on this side grouped together, I have the 2 with the other 2. I am missing my 3. The 3 is what's missing. Factor 3. The next one, look and see what's missing. Draw my wall there. And I have a 4 on both sides. I have a 2 on both sides, but I'm missing the 3. Okay? Equal sign is showing that they're equal. The value is the same. All right, let's take a look at 5 and 6. 5 and 6, they have the 3 factors listed, okay? We don't see any parentheses here, but it's still the associative grouping property. So I'm first going to start off at the beginning. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 groups of 3. Adding the number 3 2 times, and I get 6. Next, I have to bring down what's left. Bring down my multiplication sign and the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So my final product is 12. On to number 6. First thing is 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Bring down my multiplication sign and the 1. Anytime we multiply by 1, it's always going to be the other number. So my other number is 18. Again, remember, associative grouping property is no matter how the factors are grouped together, the product will remain the same.